This is the unboxing of Rodan and Field's Active Hydration Bright Eye Complex. It comes in a box just like this, with all the ingredients on the side as well as directions on how to use. Take the box and open it from the top with the flap. And when you open it from the top, the product will actually be upside down with the nozzle part of it facing down. It comes in a silver tube like this, and it says Active Hydration Bright Eye Complex. If you look to the side, it has a safety seal on there to make sure that no one has tampered with your product. This is a great product, and it comes in a tube like this. This is Rodan and Field's Active Hydration Bright Eye Complex. Let me know if you have any questions.